everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Let's see the live price prediction of Cardano. Let's see the live price prediction of Cardano. That is the live last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now. As you can see, the high change in the Cardano price predication is positive 0.33% or the change in the Cardano cryptocurrencies, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. And the high change is $1.14 is the high change of Cardano cryptocurrencies. And as we can see on the chart, as you can see here, the chart is at this period they are fast down, but after this they are trend up. As you can see here, the trend line is going up, as you can see here, but after some interval it's buying time. It's a buying time, and that's again grows up. There is a big move at this time, and they are continuously moving upward, as you can see on the graph. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Click the subscribe button right now for more new update and new cryptocurrencies news. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.